Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a Citi Strata credit card holder, you're in for a treat because your card comes packed with some seriously handy travel protection features. Today, we're diving into how to use Citi Strata travel protection to make your trips smoother and less stressful. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is Citi Strata travel protection? It's a suite of benefits designed to safeguard your trips against unexpected issues. This includes trip cancellation and interruption insurance, which can reimburse you for non-refundable expenses if something like illness or severe weather forces you to cancel or cut your trip short. Plus, there's baggage delay insurance that covers essentials if your luggage is late, and even lost or damaged luggage protection. To use these protections effectively, start by familiarizing yourself with the details. Log into your Citi account online or via the app, and look for the Benefits section. There, you'll find a guide that outlines exactly what's covered, including limits and exclusions, so read it carefully before you book your next adventure. Now, let's talk about the key steps for making a claim. If you need to file one, act quickly. Within 20 days of the incident, contact Citi through their dedicated claims line or online portal. You'll need to provide documentation like your trip itinerary, receipts, and proof of the issue. Think medical certificates or airline reports. Make sure your Citi Strata card was used to pay for the trip or related expenses, as that's often a requirement for coverage. A few pro tips to maximize your benefits. Always purchase your travel with your Citi Strata card to ensure eligibility. Keep all receipts and records organized, and consider travel insurance add-ons if your trip is extra adventurous. Remember, these protections aren't a replacement for comprehensive travel insurance, so assess your needs based on your destination. In summary, Citi Strata travel protection is a powerful tool for peace of mind on the road. By understanding and preparing in advance, you can handle travel mishaps like a pro. If you have questions, reach out to Citi's customer service, they're there to help. Safe travels, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on making the most of your credit card perks.